If your wish is to finally understand and speak English, you are in the right place. This is a very slow English story for beginners. In every episode, you will learn useful words, natural phrases, and real-life English you can use every day. Just relax, listen, and enjoy learning with us. Let's begin.
I think I could sit here every morning and never get bored of this view.
That is exactly what happened to me. I came here for one coffee and never really left.
So this cafe is dangerous.
Very dangerous. One coffee turns into 5 years on the island.
Honestly, that sounds like a good deal.
You say that now. Wait until you forget what day of the week it is.
That already happened yesterday. I woke up and had no idea if it was Monday or Saturday.
That is when you know you are finally relaxing.
Back in the city, I always knew what day it was. Usually because I was stressed.
Yeah, Mondays feel very different when you are not rushing to work.
Do you ever miss that life? The busy city, the fast pace?
Sometimes. Mostly the food and late-night places. But I do not miss the stress.
I think I only miss good bakeries. Everything else can stay in the city.
You will find a decent bakery here eventually. It just might be hidden somewhere between palm trees.
I am willing to search the entire island for good bread.
That sounds like a solid life mission.
Exactly. Rest, ocean, and finding perfect bread. That is my new purpose.
Honestly, that is a better purpose than most jobs.
Do you ever feel guilty for relaxing so much?
At the beginning, yes. I felt like I should always be productive.
Yes, that is exactly how I feel sometimes. Like I should be doing something important.
Relaxing is important. People just forget that.
I am trying to remember. Every day it gets a little easier.
That means you are doing it right.
Still, part of me feels strange doing nothing.
You are not doing nothing. You are recovering from city life.
Recovering. I like that word better.
Give it a week. You will be fully in island mode.
What does island mode look like?
You wake up without an alarm. You walk slowly. You stop checking the time. And you start judging your day by the sunset.
That sounds amazing.
It is. But there is one final stage.
Final stage?
Yes, when you stop wearing shoes completely.
I do not think I am ready for that.
Give it 3 days.
3 days.
Yeah, everyone says that at first.
And then?
Then one morning you go out barefoot, and suddenly you realize you have become a full island person.
That sounds slightly dangerous.
It is. There is no coming back after that.
All right, if I stop wearing shoes, you have to warn me.
Deal. But honestly, it might already be too late.
Why?
You walked into this cafe barefoot today.
Wait, what?
Welcome to the island, Maya.
Oh no.